I am Dr. Satish Shikhalkar, consultant physician and cardiologist, practicing at Naranpura and Satellite in Ahmedabad since last 30 years. First of all, let me thank you, all of you, for making my first video viral on coronavirus. Today, I'll be talking on why to remain at home, why to wear mask and gloves, why sanitization, what coronavirus do harmful effects in our body, why coronavirus is deadly, what are the sign symptoms, common symptoms, uncommon symptoms, and very serious symptoms, and how to manage them. Entry of more number of viruses will lead to faster and more damage to your lungs, resulting in early signs and symptoms. And the severity of COVID-19 also depends on your physical fitness and your immunity power. Coronavirus increases mucus secretions from mucus glands present in respiratory tract. Excessive mucus results in respiratory tract blockage. This causes difficulty in breathing, ultimately leads to less oxygen in body called hypoxia. To overcome this condition, breathing exercise like pursed lip breathing, belly breathing and half cup breathing will help you to bring out the mucus from the lungs. Postmortem reports of decrease by COVID-19 revealed presence of microemboli in blood vessels, and these microemboli block the blood vessels of important organs like brain, heart, lungs, kidneys and liver. This results in multi-organ failure. Modern medicines and latest equipments like ventilators failed because of these blocked vessels. That's why coronavirus is deadly. Symptoms in individual begins within 2 to 14 days after contamination with coronavirus. Some people are infected but don't notice any symptoms, but they become the silent carriers. Most people will have mild symptoms and get better on their own. So, do not afraid, but cannot take it easy also. We have to be cautious. Common symptoms are fever present in almost 99% of patients, fatigue in 70%, dry cough and throat pain in 59% of cases. 40% of patients complain loss of appetite and body ache. As these symptoms are similar to common cold or influenza, one can very well wait and watch. They can take paracetamol tablets. It will help in fever and body ache. And over-the-counter medicines from chemists for cough and cold. They should do gargling with hot water and betadine. Hot water fermentation with eucalyptus oil will give them comfort in throat pain. One can always try Ayurvedic Ukala and other home remedies. Majority of people recovered by themselves, but do not take Brufen or Combiflam-like medicines. Talking about uncommon symptoms, above symptoms persist even after a few days and patient complain of stuffy nose, sore throat, headache, body ache, severe weakness, fever with chills and shortness of breath. And they also develop excessive cough with mucus or phlegm. Remarkable loss of smell or taste is observed. Nausea or vomiting with diarrhea is alarming. Once these symptoms develop, do not treat yourself. Contact your family physician immediately. Get yourself tested for COVID-19 and follow the instructions by your doctor. Let's wait for laboratory results. Do not panic. Hardly few of you are going to develop serious symptoms, but self-quarantine means staying away from other people is must. Get yourself shifted to separate room, use separate toilet. Everybody should use mask and gloves compulsory. Separate your day-to-day requirements and utensils. If you are a smoker, stop smoking, tobacco and alcohol. Stop animal products in your diet. Take plenty of fluids and vitamin C, fresh fruit, fresh green vegetables in your diet. Hot water for drinking, fermentation and gargling. Light exercise and breathing exercise will definitely help you. As the disease progresses, patients enter in third stage with serious symptoms like difficulty in breathing, constant pain or pressure in chest, bluish lips or face, sudden confusion, difficulty in speech, numbness or weakness in hands and legs, and paralytic effect. In this situation, call 108 immediately for hospitalization in a bigger hospital. Every minute counts if signs of a paralysis develop. So do not waste time, ship patient in hospital. And now, let the team of highly qualified and experts handle your case. Your willpower, positive thinking, and the management by experts will definitely bring you back from the hospital. Lastly, we are going to get back everything, but at present, the time is critical. Our physical and mental fitness, our strong willpower will definitely help us to win the battle against COVID-19. Thanks.